friends, Running Kimono here. So, are you ready for a midweek haul on Tuesday? The deals were so amazing yesterday at Walgreens, and I wasn't even really shopping Christmas clearance there. I was just getting deals, and I wanted to share because there's some 90% that's insane. It's absolutely crazy. We're also going to go to the Dollar General, and then we're also going to go to Meijer, which is a grocery store in the Midwest, and do a quick deal. If you love Christmas as much as I made a video yesterday where I show my Walmart 90% off haul. I think it was like $24 and it was like a huge amount of stuff. I will link it at the very end. Let's get right into this. The first store that we're at is Walgreens, everybody's favorite. Thumbs up to Walgreens. So yesterday, as a lot of their stuff went 80% off, their Christmas stuff, a lot of other things also went 90% off, including a lot of shampoo and skincare. This Garnier Fructis, it's called Pure Moisture. This specific one, pay attention. You have the UPC here. Hydrolonic acid, cucumber, and water. I only saw this at a couple of stores, but these were 90% off at 55 cents each. Obviously asked for a price check, but I know that Head and Shoulders also went 90 at some stores as well. Grabbing two of these, it was $1.10. They're 55 cents each. So I paid that $1.10 out of pocket. And then I got back a $3 register reward because the promotion for this is to buy two to get back a $3 register reward. So instead of trying to find $3 of the shampoo, I broke it up into separate transaction so this little gem would keep printing for me, and this is worth it to me so I can use it on other deals in the next week or so. $3 off. There's nothing to sneeze at there, so I was pretty excited about that. And I found a total of 6 bottles of this shampoo, and I broke it into 3 transactions as the register reward will only print 1 per transaction. So 6 bottles, that is 3 transactions. I know it's a bit tedious, so if there's other customers in the line, obviously go to the back of the line after your transaction. But this was a pretty good little money maker for me yesterday, and I was like really hyper by that. Another free item that I found yesterday, like I just kept finding stuff. You have to load this coupon, which is a 2 off of 2 off of the L'Oreal Paris Hair Care. Now this is like a Walgreens coupon. It's not like a regular manufacturer as well. And this L'Oreal Paris mousse was on clearance for 90 cents. And even though that's a 2 off of 2, because it's a store coupon, it'll reduce down to 90 cents and just make it completely free. And I was very grateful to find one, and to get a mousse for 90 cents is an unheard of price. I have an older family member, and this is what they use, mousse. So specifically, this is just a really great find. Now, this is a deal from about 2 weeks ago. The Sally Hansen Pure is on clearance for $2.49. We have a $2 store coupon making it 49 cents. There's a couple really like neutral colors I like to put in Christmas stockings. So I grabbed a couple of those. 49 cents is a really good stock up price for this. So they're still to be found in the wild, and I found a whole bunch yesterday, which was like really nice. Over on the app, checkout 51. There's a $1.50 rebate, and lots of medication, vitamins, and supplements are on clearance right now over at Walgreens. Like I've been finding a lot in the last couple of days. Now this giant aspirin was 90 cents on clearance, 90% off. With that $1.50 rebate, it makes it free and a 60-cent money maker. So I'll take that all day, every day. I think in the app there's a $1.50 off coupon, but you'd have to go past that 90 cents as it's a manufacturer. So just keep that in mind. I'll still take that $1.50 from checkout 51 using no coupon. Like I was saying, guys, something weird happened in the store where this skincare that was 75% off went 90 yesterday, including like all the Aveeno stuff I was finding. So these wipes that were like a couple of bucks on Sunday were 99 cents yesterday. So that was really great. So 99 cents for the wipes. And then this I don't know if it's a lotion or something, a moisturizer of some sort, $1.19, which is a really good price point. What I like to do is throw a couple of these items into like a Christmas stocking for my sister-in-laws for Christmas. $1.19 is definitely a stock up price. And with that, a huge amount of the Walgreens skincare line that they just could not get rid of, 90% off. These makeup towelettes, 49 cents. From like $4.99 or $5.49 or whatever it was. You might want to ask for a price check. Clearance is always a year, mileage may vary, but if a lot of this stuff has been orange stickered at your store for a really long time, you're probably going to hit the mother lode in skincare. And lots of these items are a dupe for either Cetaphil or Lubriderm, so I would definitely ask for some price checks. You might be shocked what you find today, and I haven't seen this on social media on anyone's site, so you might hit it really hard, especially if you love skincare, and I know a lot of you love skincare. As I stated earlier in the video, 80% off of Christmas started yesterday, which was the 6th, and it's supposed to be going right till the 17th, according to Walgreens social media. But typically around here, they start boxing stuff up on the weekend, like whatever's left. They want that room for Valentine's Day and then the big Easter display. So, yep, just keep that in mind. But if you love Christmas, it's time to stock up right now at Walgreens. Heading over to the Dollar General, well, I made a full dedicated video last Sunday to this, and in case you missed it, I will link it at the very end. Basically, there's this container. It's called Dishwasher Packs 35 count, found in the dollar spot at the Dollar General. The store is the Dollar General. And when you open it up, you are surprised with something because it's identical to Cascade pods. Yes, a couple of them might be discolored. Yes, a couple of them might look a little rough, but they wash identical to Cascade. I have been running this for the last since Saturday. I picked these up last Friday, and I even opened it up and said, what am I looking at? It looks like the one with Dawn and the one with Lemon, and they are identical. They smell the same. They wash the same. It works on glass. Other hard debris items in your dishwasher. A little side by side. On the left hand side is the one from Dollar General, and on the right is the Cascade. I mean, don't they look identical? And they wash very similar. For $35 for $1, I mean, it's gonna get sold out really quickly. If you wanted to try this, I think it was on TikTok last fall, and then they sold out really quickly. But if you wanted to try for $1 for 35 of them, I mean, I went and got a couple more because it's such a great product. Now, I also found 2 penny items, and I was surprised that these were still around, and I could not track them down whenever that penny list came out last November. I couldn't track them down, and it's a little coloring book, so I found 2. It's going to make an excellent little item to throw in an Easter basket, and the kids love Easter baskets. Here's the UPC. So if you see these crazy fruits with the big lips and they look like they're having a ton of fun, by all means, give it a little scan, and you might be surprised if it rings up for a penny for you. To answer another quick question, when is the Dollar General going to their quarter sale? It won't be until Tuesday, January the 21st, where remaining Christmas items will be in the system for 25 cents. It's typically that first day that people go really hard. 25 cents is a really good price point. These are photos that I took in a store yesterday. And people are not into buying Christmas clearance this year. I think it's because this one store, it said everything was 50% off. I didn't buy a single thing, but I did look, and this is probably a store I will be shopping really hard at because they had such a great selection of items. Okay, the last store that we're at is Meijer, and this is a grocery store here in the Midwest. There is no sister store, so if you have Meijer, you are in luck for this video. Their Christmas clearance, the rest of it on Thursday will be going 90% off. And I've just been tracking Christmas clearance extra hard this year just to try to save you a little bit of extra money. So we're almost out of the woods with this if you don't like Christmas, and I apologize. But that last day, I know a lot of shoppers in the Midwest will want to know. Thursday morning, whatever time your store opens at, 6 or 7, be there to get the 90% off. How exciting is that? So in my basket of my haul, what I got was the Mr. Clean for $3.39, the Cascade for $5.97, the Dawn Power Wash for $4.99, and then 2 of the Cloroxes on a buy one get one 40% off. On all these items, we have digital coupons, and after all of the coupons came off, it was like paying $10 for this. If you're anything like me, I save my Meijer cash or whatever the points cash is called, and I used it to pay for the balance. And just to show you, these are all the digital coupons that we have, $2.50, 2 and 2. And I rolled the dice here because there was no P&G offer like a 10 off of 50 or something like that. And these are meat and potato items that I wanted for my stockpile. And these high value coupons, I did not want them to go to waste. So I'm like, I'm just going to go and get them. And this is the 2 off of 2 for the Clorox. And I'm actually going to show you the receipt here if you have bottle pop returns, or if you have some of that Meyer cash in your account, I use $10, and I paid like 75 cents for all of this after the $10 reward. And I think it's a pretty smart deal any way that you look at it. It's 5 items. That toilet bowl cleaner we really don't get, and that power wash coupon is a rarity. You don't really ever see a power wash coupon for $2. And they gave it to us for the last couple of weeks, so I'm definitely going to be using that. So that is it for this video, guys. As always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.